Okay, well, good morning. It's now Wednesday morning. I'm dressed as Flash, and well, as you can see, we got rid of quite a lot, but it's not all gone yet. So what I'm going to do is knock down the rest. There's not really much left, both with the hammer and with the pneumatic drill banger thing. And then I'll start loading up and we'll start taking it away, because then it'll just be one big tidy up. And because the rest of the family are coming down this evening, tomorrow being a bank holiday in Austria, I want to get as much done as possible, and driving up and down is an easy thing to do. And it's also going to get quite warm today, I think. So I'm going to get stuck straight in, and from the comments, this back wall is an overwhelming keep, so I will. But that will mean doing something to the top of it, some sort of, obviously I have some spare tiles knocking around, but I'll work something out to make it look nice, but also to protect it from water coming into the top of the wall. Okay, well, a couple of interesting things. The first is that these bricks are quite far in, and in fact, underneath the tiles, there's like this, which was supposed to be a waterproof membrane. It isn't. I know that because as soon as the drain blocks up, water runs pretty much straight through. But that means I'm going to have to kind of fill this out as well. Also, it's quite hard to knock this out. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath. With this much rubble, so change of plan. I'm going to go and get the trailer. Okay, there we go. It's set up again, but this time I brought the chute quite far forwards because of the angle once it's trailered up. Well, we'll see how that works. Time to fill it up and take it to town. There we go, another trailer full. Hardly looks like it's going down at all, but it is. So yeah, trailers, because there's still some left in the pipe. Give that a good shake, and then the trailer will be ready to go. Some technical difficulties there. It came undone. The thing that was around it snapped and it shot down. It has some stuff in the end of it, but that'll be fine. Just need to go and get it sorted. So I'm going to drop a rope from here so that I can pull it back up. Oh well, waste of time. Okay, well, unfortunately it broke with a lot of stuff in it. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get this back up. I put a rope around it, which was better than the little strap that was there, and I've got a rope up. So if I pull it up a bit, I might be able to dislodge some of this. It's the best idea I have so far, so I'm going to give it a shot. But it is quite heavy and there is quite a lot in there. So I'm not, otherwise I'll have to undo it. No, this is pointless. I'm going to undo it and I'm going to empty it backwards by hand. It's the only real sensible thing to do, I think, at the moment. Okay, it's emptied, ready to be pulled back up, and then hopefully find a way to fix it properly at the top, and we'll be back in business. The trick is going to be not to let it fill up too much at the bottom, because then it starts pushing, because it's at such a steep angle, it starts pushing weight. When we come out of that window, straight down here, it'll be much easier to get it into the top of the trailer. Yeah, there we go. It's fixed now. Okay, so I think we're now at the point where we can knock down the last tiny bits of wall, get that tidied up. It looks like there is a slight height difference there. Well, we'll do what we can to make that non-visible just for this summer until everything comes up, and this will be poured concrete and then tiled. But once again, menacing storm over there, which is a bit of a pain really. So not much I can do. I'm just going to basically keep going, get rid of this. And there we go, done. Obviously there'll be some tidying up to do, and probably some, some little bit of chiseling down there. But basically, that was the loo. Can take this out. It should just be screwed in. Rid of that. I'm not sure. That's silly. It's just cheap metal work. Well, I'm sure I'll get that out with a hammer. A minute. Yeah, obviously a couple of screws and things, but nothing alarming. And then I guess pressure wash. Okay, oh, I've still got that bit up there. I almost forgot that. I'll get that in a minute. But yeah, it's definitely time for me to take a break. Hopefully it won't rain because the car is open, and then we'll get some more stuff in the trailer and take it down after lunch, and then I shall do some tidying up because the family will be here hopefully for dinner time. Okay, well, we're pretty good, but been some big rumbles of thunder. As you can see, it's starting to rain, so because the car is open, I'm going to take what I have, which is a massive load, let's face it, and head down. There we go, just in the nick of time. So let's take it down to town. It should be open soon. It's 1:45, I think, and they open at 1, so should be good. Here it comes. It's a little bit earlier than usual. Normally this is the 5 o'clock rain, as you might have seen on Instagram yesterday. Oh. These are the tight bits of road. Oh, we squeeze through because that is doesn't look like much. But that's a huge drop there, if you see it in winter. So yeah, no, it's raining properly now. And I'll just head down slowly and get rid of it. Okay, well, good morning and welcome back. Sunny day today. It was a very sunny day yesterday, so I had a beach day with the family who arrived. So today I have a little helper with me, and we're just going to keep going, getting rid of the last trailer load, hopefully, of this from the terrace, and take it away, and then start the cleaning and getting it ready for summer. Okay, well, it's after lunch now. It's still lovely and warm, and everything here is pretty good. So I'm going to get this underlay that we put down last time. I'm going to get that laid down flat. I've got the rest of what I took up there. Roll it all out and get the wooden bits back on, and then we'll see what we do with the little bathroom bit last. Okay, so the wooden tiles are back out. I declare the loo is no more and will never be. So I've just put a few of the, I had some spares that I just laid out. Obviously it's all going to need doing. Just emptying the water out of the hot tub thing. I've got the pressure washer out and I'm going to pressure wash everything once quickly, and the jacuzzi probably quite dramatically because it's gone green, but should come up fine. And then we'll be pretty much done, and this will be usable for summer, and I can move into the next bit. And there we go, much better use for the loo. So yeah, it needs a lick of paint. I've just gone over it once with the pressure washer. That all looks good. My helper for this afternoon. Jacuzzi's filling up with water. The wooden floor's back. It'll dry out now, and then it should look fine. And there's still a perfect view. So that's it. Just leave it for a couple of hours until this fills with water, and then put the lid on. The lid's looking a bit sorry for itself, but everything else is fine. Okay, well, that is going to be it for today's video. So I'm quite happy. We've got the terrace ready for summer. Much more space. It certainly feels much more open than that eyesore of a toilet. So when I have some time and feel like it, I'll paint that up. But even as it is, it still looks better than the loo did. So so that's great. The weather is sort of breaking again over there. The nasty clouds are back. It might well have a quick thunderstorm again this afternoon at 5 o'clock every day, more or less. But there we go. It's time now to move on to the next project, and the next project is going to be cleaning out all of my tools from the kitchen, getting the washing machine moved up to the living room kitchen, and setting everything up so that I can knock out and do some demolition work inside. So I'm going to have to cut the rose bush down a little bit, get the rubbish pipe down to the trailer from that window. So yeah, lots of little projects to keep going. But as I said, that's it for today. So once again, thank you very much for watching. If you like these videos, then do subscribe so that you don't miss any. Tell your friends. It's the best way to grow the channel, and it's the best way to keep me making more and more videos. But yeah, thank you very much for your comments. I hope you're all well. Take care, and bye bye for now.